The universal design principles used throughout the Daily Living Center enable you to practice typical activities you might do in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or other areas of your home. With direction from your therapist, you will learn techniques to overcome any challenges you may encounter while experimenting with a variety of equipment and appliances that can be purchased and installed in your home to make daily tasks easier. For instance, the kitchen's upper cabinets and the island countertop are height adjustable with the push of a button. The induction stove has a front control pad for ease of use. The water spout above the stove enables you to fill a pot without having to carry it from the sink. The drawer configuration of the dishwasher and microwave improves accessibility and energy conservation. In the bedroom, the integrative assistive technology improves your independence, as well as completing self-care activities while in bed. If you have mobility restrictions, you may try the ceiling track to move from the bed into the accessible bathroom. The Daily Living Center features 3 bathroom configurations to help you practice safe and efficient toileting and bathing. 2 bathrooms feature a layout found in most homes. In the first, the walkway leaves little room between the vanity and door. Cabinetry under the sink is another obstacle. This configuration provides opportunities to work on techniques like accessing the sink and medicine cabinet. The toilet next to the tub limits space if you use a wheelchair or walker. So, we practice toilet transfers and make recommendations like installing a toilet safety frame. You will also work on safe tub transfers with individualized recommendations like having sliding glass doors removed, purchasing a shower chair, or installing grab bars. In the second bathroom, you can work on transferring into a shower stall, maneuvering through an open swinging door, negotiating the threshold, and using a built-in shower bench and shower chair. You can test a drop bar, which goes up during a toilet transfer and back down for added support when the transfer is complete. With no lower cabinetry, we can show you how the installation of a pedestal sink improves access to the faucets, countertop, and medicine cabinet. The third bathroom includes a zero-entry shower with no threshold to navigate, and a chance to try a handheld shower head, a wheeled or stationary shower chair, or a step-in tub with a bench.